Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how we can regrow onions from the store-bought onions. For this, we need onion, a knife, a bowl with water and a pot of soil. For this, we need to take the onion and cut a slice from it. The slice should be almost a quarter and towards the end of the roots. Next, I am going to put the slice into the water. Make sure the bowl has enough water so that the roots are fully submerged. This is how it looks after 2 days. We'll let it stand in water for a couple of more days. After 5 to 7 days, we can see the shoots are coming out. On the other side, we can see the white roots are coming out too. Meanwhile, I have prepared a pot of soil for planting. I am going to place the sprouted slice into the pot. The root should be facing down. I will cover it with little soil and then I'll sprinkle it with some water to wet the soil. We need very little amount of water to wet the soil. I'll keep it watering and see the result. After 2 weeks, we can see green shoots are growing out. We keep watering every day to make sure the soil keeps moist. Now it's almost 6 weeks and I'm ready to show you how my onion looks. I'm happy to see lavish green onion shoots. Onion takes long time to grow, around 100 days. My onions would be ready in another 5 to 6 weeks from now. I'll take proper care and keep watering my plant regularly to keep the soil moist.